Hi, Kumano John here, and I know it's been a very long time since I've shared a video with you, probably a good 6 months maybe. I'm sorry that I have not posted any videos for my first part of my Kumano in Portugal, but I've been really busy since I've gotten back. But I want to share something with you today. Now, you may be wondering, what is this? Well, to begin with, if you notice it says Japan Post, it should give you an idea of what is in this package. So we're going to open this package together right here, right now. Oh, there's a tear strip. Don't need these. This is exciting. This is really exciting because I now have Oh, I don't need that anymore. Oh, even plastic. Oh, this is quality right here. This is what the difference between the Kumano franchise and all that wonderful chaos and this. And yes, my friends, that is what I'm doing next. And this is just so beautiful. It's just so wonderful. I plan to do the Japanese pilgrimage next year. So probably later on this year, I'll start doing my training again. Oh, this is so wonderful. Just check this out. I mean, I'm not sure how many yen this cost me, but yes, thank you, guest. All this material is from the tourist bureau in this area. And believe it or not, this is beautiful. Like this is one route here. That's another route right there. Lots for me to do. I think there's a third route too here. Oh, this tells you just how to get there. Oh, look at this. Check this out. Check this out. See that? See that? This Kumano right here, this, I can't pronounce it. I'm not going to slaughter it. But it's the only other pilgrimage site, official UNESCO pilgrimage route in the world besides the Kumano franchise and the Kumano in general to Santiago. So I'll be a dual pilgrim once I get this done. So this is what that's for. This is basically telling you how that works out. So, God, this is beautiful. This has made my day to be able to get into this. But the one cool thing about this pilgrimage, or this Kumano, is it's not fly by the seat of your pants. You have to make accommodations and book ahead of time with a tourist agency over there to get your accommodations squared away and everything else. If you could speak fluent Japanese and communicate, then perhaps you could fly by the seat of your pants. But if you just fly there and show up unannounced, unexpected, unauthorized, they won't let you do this because they don't let masses, hordes of people onto this. And part of the reason why I'm doing this is I want a different Kumano than the ones I've been doing, but more importantly is because I feel the Kumano franchise and the Kumano in general and Santiago is going downhill because the pure volume of people doing it. And to be blunt, I'm kind of burnt out on it, but it's just touristy. You know what I mean? It's just tourist-like there in Santiago. And that's what, after I got done to my Kumano last year, that's how I kind of felt. I was done with the whole Kumano de Santiago. I probably want to go back and do it again sometime later in my life or take a different route. I know there's Kumano Norte I could take. There's some coming up from Madrid, but this is going to be fun. So this is something I'll be sharing with you in a little over a year when I get geared up to do that. But also I'll be doing my practice walks for this, and I'll hopefully show you more information with this as time comes along. Until next time, take care, God bless, and I don't want to say it's bon camino, but I got to figure out what the greeting is for this. That's one of the tasks.